Hello, my reading friends. Today we are going to read Farm Animals by Nancy Dickmann. Let's start. Context. What is a farm? Animals on a farm, working animals, taking care of farm animals. Can you remember? Picture glossary and index. Let's start. What's a farm? A farm is a place where food is grown. Many animals live on a farm. Animals on a farm. Cows live on a farm. Some cows gives us milk. Chicken live on a farm. Some chickens lay eggs. Pigs live on a farm. Pigs loves to roll around in the mud. Sheep lives on a farm. Sheep give us wool. Some farm have ducks. Some farm have llamas. Working animals. Horses can help move cows. Oxen can help pull plows. Ducks can help move sheep. Cats can help catch rats and mice. Taking care of farm animals. Farm animals need food and water. Farm animals need a safe place to sleep. Can you remember which animals gives us milk? I hope you remember that is cow. So picture glossary. Oxen. Cows are bulls that are trained to pull plows or do other farm jobs. Plow. Farm machines that breathes the ground so that farmers can plant seeds. Wool. Hairy body covering on sheep. Wool can be made into a cloth and blankets. The end. I hope you love these books, friends. See you next time with a different book. Bye bye, friends.